Hello student, today we are going to learn about a very interesting logic gate called the XOR gate. आज के इस वीडियो में XOR गेट के जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं वो डिस्कस करेंगे। तो अगर आप इस चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, फटाफट से वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। An XOR gate is 2 input, 1 output logic circuit. The output is logic 1 when only one of its two input is logic 1. Now the word XOR means exclusive OR. It means the output will be high only when the inputs are different. अगर दोनों इनपुट सेम है, चाहे वो 0 0 या 1 1, तो आउटपुट 0. Let's understand this with the help of truth table. We see that A is 0, B is 0. The output is 0 because the both input are same. Again, A is 1, B 1, the output is 0. Again, A and B are both same, so the output is 0. Now, A is 0, B is 1, the output is 1. Both input are different. A is 1, B is 0, the output is 1. So simply, when both inputs are same, the output is 0. When both inputs are different, the output is 1. Now let's talk about the symbol of XOR gate. It looks like an OR gate. We know this is the OR gate, but with one extra curved line before the input side. It means XOR gate, इसके अंदर एक extra curved line. ये हो गया XOR gate. Let's see OR gate and an extra line. The Boolean expression of XOR gate is written as A XOR B. This is the symbol of XOR, like this, 1 plus and circle. This is the symbol of XOR gate. अब हम XOR gate की truth table को बनाते हैं. Let's say we take two variable A and B. तो हमने क्या देखा, XOR gate का symbol क्या होता है, A plus इसके बाहर round and B. ये हो गया XOR gate का expression. So 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. We know that when both input are same, the output of XOR gate is 0. When both input are different, the output of XOR gate is 1. Now here A is 0, B is 0. So what will be the output? 0. A0, B1, the output is 1. A1, B0, the output is 1. A1, B1, both input are same. So output will be 0. This is the OR gate. Now we write the expression of XOR gate. How can we write the expression from this truth table? We take only one. In the output column we see 2 1, this one and this one. For this one we take these two variable 0 and 1. For 0, A 0 means complement, A complement. 1 B means B is normal form. Again 1, we took this one. For this one, these two we take A 1 means A is normal, B 0 means B is complement. Now these two minterm we add using a sign plus. Now we can see that this is the basic expression. We can write this expression. We can write this expression using compound gate, plus or circle. So it will looks like A plus or circle, B or A XOR B. This is the expression. Now we draw the circuit from the expression. First we draw the expression using these basic gates. So using basic gates, the circuit, what will look, we use two input A and B. Now A is complement, so we add NOT. We know that when the variable is complement, it means it uses the NOT gate. And B is normal form. A complement and B. In between, what gate is exist? AND gate. So we draw AND gate. So what will be the output? This is A complement. So A complement dot B. Now for this, A is normal, this is the normal, we draw a wire, and now B is complement. So we add a NOT gate in B, so B is complement. Now add these two, we get A dot B complement. Now in between, what gate exists? OR gate. So we add these two gate using OR gate. Now what we get? We get this A complement B and this A B complement. Now these two are joined using OR gate. So we know that OR gate means plus. So this is the expression of basic. Now we draw the circuit using this compound gate. So how it looks like? We draw A and B. We see that for this symbol we use the gate is like OR gate and an extra curved line. So A and B, an extra curved line and OR gate. So what it gives, the output is A plus circle B. This is the XOR gate using compound gate. That's all for today's class on XOR gate. In the next video, we will move to another interesting logic gate. Thank you for watching.